Pictures what? Are you a celebrity or what?
You bullshitting too much.
Come this way. And come this way. You don't go come. Okay, now let me tell you something, right? Let me tell you something. Go and tell Godson, Go and tell Godson that the gun he pulled on me last 7 months, go and tell Godson that the gun he pulled on me last 7 years, that the day of illumination has arrived.
That between you and me never do you bad. You are my friend.
Did I pose threat to your life?
No.
Did I insult you?
No.
Do you know that Godson put a gun on me?
Yeah.
God bless you. Now I came and telling Wasinga that I've forgiven Godson, but I need Godson to tell me the name of the guy that finally shot the gun. You know what Wasinga did? He held my hand like this and flipped it. That's battery. That's assault in America. No. Bro, this business, I will bring FBI and CIA for everybody to say what they do here. Or I will land a lawsuit on him for attempting to break my hand. I mean, you unknowingly touching somebody in America is a battery. Do you know that, right? But he voluntarily and consciously twisted my hand without remorse. Leave who? If somebody put a gun on you or your brother or your son and finally shoot it, how would you feel? Tell me.
No, but it's not Wasinga. Wasinga, that's not.
I had the 80% of the business.
It's between you and God.
He owned 80% of the business, and when I wanted to take a legal action last 5 years, he was the one that interceded. There is something he knows, because that gunshot was not just a mistaken gunshot. It was premeditated. They are cultists. They are members of Buccaneer. Me, I'm not a cultist. I was sick. Obi just invited me for a party, and that's when somebody want to take my life. I don't know who you know. Me, I don't know nobody. But you see, from this business, from this Benkago business to the end of that Godson place, if FBI and CIA don't come here and find out what is going on, I will park my car here every day. If any customer comes here, I will tell the customer not to do business here. Then you call who you know. I mean, thank God he knows me. You understand? People don't know there are two types of America, right? I was not born here. I did not marry anybody. But I'm more American than somebody that was born here. There's a reason why. Look, calm down. I mean, you know me at least 10 years. Even when I was sick, God bless you. Even though when I was sick, I never disrespected you. The most I would do is to make a joke. You understand? That's why somebody, I mean, this nigga no reach my brother level. My brother, we've been friends. He no reach in level, sir, but he no. You know, people don't get respect for